I literally wasted 10 years of my life. And to be honest, it is one of the dumbest leadership decisions that I've ever made. So if you are on the fence of whether or not to get into leadership, this is your call. Don't do what I did. Do not play small. I worked at the international airport here in the city that I live in, and I was there for 17 years. 10 of those years, I had the opportunity to start to really work into leadership. I've taken on multiple leadership roles in hospitality. But when I started working at the airport, I was in a different frame of mind. And then I started making friends. Some of these friends were, I guess you could call them like the cool kids. Yeah, I'm the cool kid too. But I allowed them to have such weight on what I did, how I showed up. Did I try to impress them? I don't think so, but I tried to make sure that I stood out the way that a loudmouth Mike Ashley would stand out. And I was really worried, looking back, or I really put a lot of weight into what these people thought of me, what they said about me. And that was really silly. What I should have done was stepped into the first leadership opportunity that came to me. That entry-level management position. But because the company was kind of in turmoil, I felt like it was safer to stay in the position I was. Or at least that's how I justified it. What was more my issue was, again, worrying about what other people thought. Thinking, oh, he's gone on to management. Oh, he's one of those guys. Here's the unfortunate or fortunate reality. Since COVID is when I left the job. And I was in management at the time I left. But since COVID, out of 150 people, I'm counting in my head right now, I am still close, very close with 2 of them. And then there's 2 more that I keep in contact with. Think about that. I was sitting, wasting 10 years before I said, you know what, screw it. I got to start putting my hat in the ring to become part of the leadership team. I wasted 10 years of my life worrying about hanging out with 150 people that, you know, these were my friends. These are my, you know, down with it. They're here to support me. I worried about these people, or not even, I worried about the opinions of these people when at the end of the day, I talked to 4 of them. And the 4 that I talked to, once I decided, you know what, I'm going to get into leadership, I'm going to step up and put my name in and do the thing, those 4 people weren't an issue for me when I took on the leadership. To be honest, none of the people were issues for me. I was able to build relationships prior to stepping into the leadership role that people really knew who I was, or I mean, as much as you can get to know anybody, but they knew what I stood for. They knew how I spoke. They knew that when I said, we're not messing around, I'm not messing around. They knew that if there was a problem that I would come directly and to them and deal with it. So it was here. I wasted the time. My peers did not waste my time. It was such a silly thing to allow to happen, to allow the fear of other people's opinions to stop me from moving forward. Now, in reality, I didn't lose any friends when I finally took on the leadership role at the airport. I didn't lose any of them. The people that were friendly but would sometimes gossip behind people's backs, maybe mine, I don't know, I wasn't there. Those people were still friendly. The people that I thought, you know what, I could count on these people at work, I could still count on them. And my 4 people that I still talk to this day, they're a ride or die. Mike, if you're in shit, we're in shit. We've got you. Call us, we'll help you, whatever it might be. So this idea that I would lose friends, this idea that people would judge me, doesn't really matter. And I'm sharing this now because if you're in the position where you're kind of thinking, you know, I want to step up, I want to take my life to the next level. Listen, leadership doesn't make it the next level per se, but it is the step in the right direction. It can help you financially. It does give you more responsibility. It does give you more opportunities to network. It does put a little bit of weight behind your name when you have management experience. So if you're sitting on the fence and you're like, I don't know, I've got these friends. You don't have these friends. I mean, the ones that you do have, they're still your friends. You don't have the concern is the reality, or it should be what you look at. You shouldn't have the concern of whether or not you're going to lose your friends or the people are going to look at you different. They are going to look at you different. You are different. You're growing. You're elevating. And what can often be the issue is that if we're working together and you move up to management, I don't have a problem with you moving up to management. What I have a problem with is my dumbass staying in the same spot, watching you excel. That's, from my experience, that's been the biggest wow, is that people are pulling you down as crabs in the bucket. Nobody wants to see you make that great escape, but do it. Be uncomfortable for a little bit. Choose your hard. You can choose the hard decision, the hard choice to say, I'm going to step up. I'm going to elevate myself. I'm going to challenge myself. Doesn't make you better than anybody, but I'm going to challenge myself to take that next step. Or stay where you are. But that comes with a different level of hard. You have to be able to, if you're not okay with it, listen, if you're in the perfect job, it's perfect for your lifestyle, it's perfect for your family, it's perfect. But it's when it's not, and you're thinking, kind of want to go into management, kind of don't. No, it's hard. You're going to kick yourself. Or you have that opportunity or the potential to kick yourself if you don't take the chance. I think taking chances in this life, educated or thought out chances, gambles, typically pay off in the long run. Maybe not immediately, but all that to say, I was just feeling like I need to share how stupid I was to worry about other people's opinions. Me, listen, I got the biggest FU attitude, but it still had a grasp on me. And I'm hoping that by sharing this video, maybe it doesn't have the same grasp on you, or you at least consider, if you leave this job, most of the people you talk to on a daily, you're probably not talking to again. And the ones that you do talk to on the daily that you say, these are my friends, they're still going to be your friends. So if you're asking me, I'm not saying you are, but if you're asking me, shoot your shot. Don't waste time. If you have an opportunity to level up, take it. I think in the long run, you are going to thank yourself for putting yourself out there. Okay, that's the wrap. Ciao.